Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with a bell notification on so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. Today I am going to show you how you can make money with Instagram without being an Instagram influencer. I am going to show you few platform that you need to set up, and after that you will have passive money every single day. So the first platform that you need to set up, it is Instagram. Create a free account on Make Money Online niche or any other niche you want, but before you do that, watch this video until the end. Take some time in that niche and post good quality content in your Instagram account. Take some time and find the best 150 hashtags in that niche and use 30 of them in comment section every time you upload an image so you can show up in the marketplace. Use different 30 hashtags every time you upload an image. The second platform then you need to use is Canva.com. This is for creation of your content. It is absolutely free to use, and you can come over here, click on template and choose Instagram post. Choose at least 12 template that you are going to work with, and you will need to change it a little bit. After that, go to Google and type in CPA offers affiliate programs and take your time and look over 5 sites, let's say. For every site it is free to join, and you can look at the offer. The simple offer may sound like, for every sign up to some other platform or app or anything that it is free, you get $2 or more. Sign up, it mean the people you are targeting need to fill their name and email address to get something. This is the best type of offers for beginners. You are going to get pay in your PayPal account, so make sure you have one. And when you start to make your first $50 from this, you can scale this up with some paid traffic and targeted traffic. After you set this up, you do not need to do anything just to verify the offer to be active. And from $50 for traffic, you can reach out to more than 500,000 people with high conversion rate. So you can make more than $500 from $50, $450 in pure profit. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, hit that like button, comment down below if you think this strategy can work or not. Or if you think this strategy it is hard to do, I wait for your opinion in the comment section. If you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful, and you can consider subscribing with a bell notification on. This way you will be updated whenever I bring to you other videos just like this one. Follow me on Instagram, work_smart not hard. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.